Hi, in front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. You need to begin by clicking on an app called Files and selecting Clean section at the bottom left corner. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up by clicking on Clear. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!